So for this tutorial, all you only need a few things. You need bobby pins. I would say like 3 to 4, depending on how long your weave is that you're using. So small rubber bands. You'll need a scrunchie, toothbrush, a hard brush. I'm using Eco Styling Gel. You can use whatever you want, like whatever you prefer, use it. So for the first step, we're going to slick our hair up into a ponytail. So I'm going to be using my gel. I'm going to be applying that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going all around my hair. And I'm just slicking everything. Well, actually slicking it up. So now I got everything all slick. I'm gonna take my hard brush, and now you're just gonna brush your hair up into a ponytail. Now this part is pretty much up to you, so you can put it as high as you want it or as low as you want it. Like this can definitely be a low bun. This can be a high, it can be mid. Wherever you want it, put it there. I want mine high, but I don't want it too high. Like, I don't want it like up here, like right there. So I look so muscular. I don't know. Oh my gosh. So that's just basically what I'm doing right now. I'm just slicking my hair up into a ponytail. So now I'm going to use my scrunchie to wrap my hair into a ponytail. I don't know about y'all, but when I was a kid, my mama wrapped my hair till it couldn't wrap around no more. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is what your hair should look like right now. It should just be in a ponytail. Everything should be slick. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step is now you want to put your hair in a bun. So when I put my hair in a bun, I like twist it as tight as I can. And for this part, you want to make sure that your bun is that's cash, y'all. You want to make sure that your bun is as flat and as small as you can get it. So as small as you can get it. So now you're going to take those rubber bands and you're going to put them around the bun so it can stay secure. The first one I only do like the first time I put a rubber band on it, I only do it once. Like I just sit it on there, and then the second two I wrap it around twice. So now this is the second step. This is how your hair should look. Pretty much the same, just now it's in a bun. These are old bundles that I'm using. So you want to take your track, and I'm using the side that I had glue. I had a quick weave, so I'm using the side with the glue on it. So you want to hold your head down, and you want to pull the track at the end. So you want to get a little piece at the end, and you want to wrap it around to the left. Or if you're left-handed, you might do it to the right. So you want to wrap this part around the bun. You want to take your left hand and you're going to pull this side to make sure it's tight. You're going to hold it with these two fingers and you're going to wrap it around. I'm not using any glue. I'm not using any holding spray because it's not necessary. And now you're just going to wrap it around. You want to make sure the track is laying flat, like on top. So now, once you get to the end, you're going to grab this little piece of hair. Grab a little piece of hair from the end. You're going to separate it. Now, this is what we're going to use like as our glue, I guess. So we're going to wrap this around. We got this piece. This is our glue. Okay? So we're going to wrap it around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. Now, if you do want to use holding spray, you can use holding spray. I don't, because I think it's unnecessary. You gotta do it like you about to fold a shirt sometimes. And me, I just like, I wrap it around until I can't no more, like literally until I don't feel any hair. And then I just like tuck it in. Right? So this is how your hair should look right now. Okay. So you're gonna take a brush. I'm gonna take this brush and just brush the hair out. Now, you can use any hair for this. You can use braiding hair, you can use packed hair like from the beauty supply. I'm just using bundles because I'm probably not gonna use these no more. And when I'm done with bundles, I use them for buns. So now this is the fourth step. So now this is like the wrapping process. Like, so this is when we gonna form our bun. So I'm going to wrap this bun until I get it to how I want it to be. Until I get my desired look. I'm going to wrap it around. Wrap it around. So actually, I like this bun. It's not like perfect, but it's cute. So now we're going to take our bobby pin and we're going to pin it up. Okay. Now, you see how I just tried to force that bobby pin in? If I would have did that, my head would have been hurting, girl. So I'm going to start pinning in the front. So that's one bobby pin. Now, it might not, like, I don't use the same amount of bobby pins every time. That's two bobby pins, and honestly, I feel like that's all I need for this bun. I feel like I only need two bobby pins. So I put one like in the front, and I put one here at the end of the hair. So now this is what your hair should look like. Okay? Remember that toothbrush I was talking about in the beginning? Now we about to use that. So I'm going to dip it into my Eco Styling Gel. Like I said, you can use anything. You can use edge control. You can use water. You can use conditioner. When I use water, my edges tend to like curl up because I got curly hair. So I like something that's going to keep them in place but not make them look harsh. Like, I don't want it to look hard, and this stuff, it does not make your hair hard at all or flaky. And I thought it was. I don't know why I thought it was, but it didn't. So now you just going to do your edges. And like I said, with buns, it's pretty much how you want them to look. There's no right or wrong way for your bun to look. It's really up to you. But just make sure when you do it, everything is neat. You don't want hairs out of place. So you want to add something to make it like pop a little bit. But you don't want to do too much. You don't want to make it look like, I don't really care for those edges that's like curly and swirly and, you know, I don't really like it. Then I'm going to do my sideburns. I'm not going to put a lot. And I'm not going to like I'm not going to do the ones that hang down. I'm just going to do what's already there. just slick it down basically. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna dip a little bit in here, and then, well, on here, and then I'm gonna go in. I can't really see like that. I'm looking in the mirror, but it's kind of far from where I'm at. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just make sure all my hairs are like brushed together. Like I don't want to have any like huge gaps or anything from us brushing it. So go in, make sure I got any flyaways. You can do the baby hairs behind your ear. You don't want to dip too much product. Like I would just use the product that's already on the toothbrush, because you don't want to make it look like forced. You know what I'm saying? So that's it for the bun. That's it. This is the bun. Again, these are my edges. See if I can focus. Nope. Y'all can see, I think. I hope. So yeah, this is my bun. Really quick, really easy. Now I'm gonna put my scarf on and I'm going to let that sit. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm about to go to work. So I'm about to get dressed. I'm gonna sit my scarf on here. I'm gonna let it, like, you know, sit there for a minute until I get dressed, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it looks after I take my scarf off. Okay y'all, so I just got dressed. I'm about to take my scarf off. Bam. Easy, quick, easy, cute. I'm gonna take my my toothbrush and I'm gonna just like do it so they can be like wispy and not look like sticky and hard. So that's it for this little tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it was easy and I hope y'all use it to your advantage.